The Avengers in Hell now have two teams, with Iron Man leading one and Captain America leading the other. The 12 superheroes formed a 6-6 battle mode. Which team do you support, Captain America or Iron Man? What caused the Avengers to fight each other? A few days ago, Captain America and his team received a mission to confront a group of fully armed mercenaries.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever seen those super popular YouTube channels that break down and explain movies in such a fun and engaging way? They're always trending and making tons of money. The best part? These channels aren't doing anything extraordinary. They don't even create the content themselves. Curious if these channels are monetized? Type YouTube large monetization checker, paste the channel link, and click submit. Look at that, YouTube is monetizing this channel. So grab your favorite drink and stick around, because in this video, I'm gonna show you the easiest way to create your own movie explainer videos so you can start your own channel and earn some serious cash. And just to prove this isn't clickbait, check out this movie explainer I created in less than 5 minutes.
The Avengers in Hell now have two teams, with Iron Man leading one and Captain America leading the other. The 12 superheroes formed a 6-6 battle mode. Which team do you support, Captain America or Iron Man?
Step 1. Let's dive in. First things first, pay close attention and do not skip a single step. Seriously, every bit of this video is crucial. If you miss even a small part, you could end up multiplying your work by 0, meaning total confusion and potential copyright issues. Stick with me through this, and I promise by the end you'll know exactly how to avoid those pesky copyright problems. And hey, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'm here to help, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Let's get started. Step 2. Finding movie explainer videos. Now, let's get to the fun part. Finding some movie explainer videos. We're going to use Chinese websites for this. One of the simplest ones is KUAISHOU, which has tons of movie clips and doesn't even require an account. Head to the video description, click the KUAISHOU link, and you should have the same page like this. If it doesn't work in your region, use a VPN. Complete the security verification by dragging the puzzle piece to the right. Next, we need to translate our movie title from English to Chinese using Google Translate. Just type Google Translator in your search bar, click the first result, select English and Chinese Traditional, and enter the movie title. For example, I'll type in Captain America Explainer Video. Copy the Chinese translation, head back to the KUAISHOU website, paste it in the search box, and hit search. Browse through the results, hover over the videos to see if you like them, and click on the one you want. Copy the link from the address bar, or click this icon and click here to copy. Step 3. Downloading the video. Now, let's download the video. Go to Google and search for TiQu.cc video downloader. Click the first result. The website is in Chinese, so switch it to English. Use an ad blocker because the site is full of ads. Paste the link you copied and hit submit. Here is the video thumbnail. Click Save Video to download it to your device. Step 4. Translating the video. We're going to translate the video from Chinese to English using KAPWING. Go to your search bar, type KAPWING, and click Enter. Click the first result. It's a paid tool, but you get some free credits for signing up. Use temporary emails for multiple accounts if needed, but I am using my Gmail for this. Once you have successfully signed up, you should have an interface like this. Click Create New and choose the correct aspect ratio. I'll be using a 9:16 aspect ratio for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. And this is very crucial for copyright issues. I will show you what I mean at the end of this video. Click here to upload the movie clip you downloaded. Click this plus icon to add to the timeline. Deselect the video in the timeline to access new tools. Hit Dub Video. Our original language is Chinese, and we are translating to English. Let's choose our voiceover. Then, let's dub the video. and wait for the process to complete. As you can see, we are allowed a maximum of free 4 minutes video. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's reduce the timeline to 2 minutes. Click Export and choose MP4. Once rendering is complete, download the video. Step 5. Adding captions and final touches. For the final part, we'll add captions and make adjustments using CAPCUT. Open CAPCUT, start a new project, import the downloaded video, click this plus icon to add it to the timeline. Change the ratio to 16:9, adjust the video to fit the screen, and add your watermark by clicking on Text, then the plus icon, and enter your channel name. I will use mine, AI Zenzor. Customize the font style. I am using Montserrat Bold, size 20. Let's reduce the opacity for a subtle look. Make sure the watermark covers the entire video length. Next, add captions by clicking on Text, then Auto Caption, and choose English, then click Generate. Let's wait for a moment. Customize the font style. I am using Montserrat Bold, size 8. Let's see how it looks, and color white. I am choosing this preset style. Click Animation, click Caption to choose the one you like. I like this. Let's try it. We are ready to remove the background music. Let's export the audio only. Uncheck the video and make sure audio is ticked. Name your file and click Export. Remove any background music that might be copyrighted and add your own using Vocal Remover, link in the description. Type Vocal Remover in your search bar, scroll down, and click this TuneBat site. I tried something different, but I think this site works perfectly for me. Let me know in the comments section which one you think works best for you. Import the video, let the tool split the vocal and the background music. All we need is just the vocal. Medium quality is okay for this purpose. Let's download it. Import the vocal audio into CAPCUT. I already downloaded a free-to-use music track from Pixabay, so let's quickly import it. Reduce the volume, drag the timeline to the end of the video, click the file and press W to cut out the excess music, and here is the outcome after exporting.
The Avengers in Hell now have 2 teams, with Iron Man leading one and Captain America leading the other. The 12 superheroes formed a 6-6 battle mode. Which team do you support, Captain America or Iron Man? What caused the...
Finally, export the video and let's upload it to YouTube and see if it will pass the copyright check. And there you have it. You've successfully created your movie explainer video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.